Greetings, friend, and welcome. Every military platform has become a sensor. Satellites, drones, aircraft, ships, ground vehicles, soldiers, radars, electronic warfare systems, and cyber operations continuously generate enormous amounts of data. The challenge is no longer gathering information. It is making sense of it fast enough to matter in combat. Combined Joint All-Domain Command and Control, or CJADC2, is the Department of Defense's approach to connecting military assets across land, sea, air, space, and cyberspace into one integrated decision-making network. Importantly, CJADC2 is an architecture made up of interconnected systems designed to help commanders make better decisions, faster. The Pentagon describes the objective as creating decision advantage at all levels. Instead of commanders waiting for reports from disconnected systems, CJADC2 is intended to combine battlefield information into a common operational picture, allowing decisions to be made faster than an adversary can react. In modern warfare, speed becomes a weapon of its own. Humans cannot manually process millions of incoming signals during modern combat. CJADC2 therefore relies heavily on artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and predictive analytics to identify threats, prioritize information, recommend actions, and shorten the time between sensing and responding. AI is not replacing commanders. It is increasingly deciding what information reaches them first. Recent Pentagon budget documents describe a push towards software-centric command and control and a single pane of glass that allows commanders to view information from multiple services, commands, and domains through one interface. Rather than switching between disconnected systems, commanders increasingly work inside unified software environments. The battlefield begins to look less like a collection of separate forces and more like a single software platform. For generations, commanders studied maps. Increasingly, they study software. Historically, military branches largely operated within separate command structures: Army, Navy, Air Force, Space, and Cyber. CJADC. Two attempts to connect them into one continuously updating network where sensors in one domain can rapidly support weapons in another. A satellite may detect a target. A drone confirms it. An aircraft engages it. The network ties the entire sequence together. CJADC2 is not limited to U.S. forces. Pentagon documents describe connecting allied command and control systems as well, emphasizing interoperability across coalition partners. Future military effectiveness increasingly depends not only on weapons compatibility, but on shared data and shared software architectures. That shift is also reflected in military spending. Recent budget requests seek billions of dollars for software licenses, engineering support, AI-enabled headquarters, and enterprise-wide command platforms. Increasingly, military modernization is investing not only in missiles and aircraft, but in the digital infrastructure that coordinates them. Government Accountability Office reports note that CJADC2 remains a long-term effort with significant organizational challenges. Different military services have pursued their own systems, and the Pentagon is still working toward a comprehensive framework to integrate them. The vision is ambitious, but the architecture remains under construction. As more battlefield decisions depend on integrated software, questions emerge about data quality, cybersecurity, interoperability, resilience, and trust in AI-assisted recommendations. The faster military decisions become, the more critical the underlying software becomes. This is becoming the operating system of war. For centuries, military advantage depended on larger armies, better weapons, or superior logistics. Now it increasingly depends on who can collect, understand, and act on information first. If future wars are fought through software that connects every sensor, every weapon, every commander, and increasingly every AI system, will tomorrow's decisive weapon be the missile or the network telling the missile where to go? Until next time, this is Mike Asai, and you're listening to The Singularity Hub. Subscribe for more.